Hey beautiful dreamers, it's Elke here, and today I'm doing a tutorial on this look right here, which I'm calling the monochromatic pumpkin inspired orange look, or something along the lines of that. Anyway, you know, I'm wearing a wig, I have a hat on, here's the look right here basically. I think that's pretty much it. It's pretty much all I need to say. So, you know, before I start rambling on, let's just jump into the tutorial, because that's all anybody cares about, right? Alright, let's get into it. I always feel like my head looks really small compared to my body. But anyway, I am starting off with my brows already done. And for that, I used the Jeffree Star. Is this a shimmery one? No, I used the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Coral Fixation, which is this beautiful like bright orange. And this is from the summer collection that I think launched this summer. So I used that for my brows. And also to set it, I used the orange shade from my my 12P palette, which I don't think you can get anymore, unfortunately. But it's such a cute tiny palette, and you can probably tell that I have used the purple one a lot just because of the dent in it. But anyway, to start off with, I'm kind of making this up as I go. So sorry if I'm looking through several different palettes and trying to find a good like starter color. I'm going to start out with this shade right here from the Sol Palette by ColourPop, and this is what the packaging looks like. I believe it is called Nude Digs, and it is this kind of muted like orange color, and I'm just going to sweep that through my crease as a transition. Anyway, I'm just gonna go this. I'm taking a Real Techniques crease brush, and this is literally what I use to start off with, and I'm just going to sweep that generally through my crease to start out the orange. So the inspo behind this look is I mean obviously it's fall now, and I took one of my lectures for my makeup class, or my theater class, was color theory, and we talked about like all these color schemes and color harmonies, and one of the ones is monochromatic, which is obviously what this video is called. So I thought I wanted to do something kind of based around fall and orange, and I was like, monochromatic orange look, because why not? As far as schooling is going, my theater class is going, or not, my makeup class is going fantastic. I have meeting a lot of great people, and it's great. By the time you guys are watching this, or technically the Wednesday after, I will have my first high fashion class, so that'll be exciting. But yeah, I'm excited to see how things are going. So next color I'm going to be taking is also from, I'm sorry, I'm looking around at all my palettes that I've got scattered around, also from the Sol Palette, and it is this bright like orange right here, and this is called Ooh. It's just 3 O's, that's all it is. And of course I'm just going to be kind of sweeping that through the crease, looking for an appropriate brush. There we go. I'm gonna take that from there. I'm excited for Halloween and all that fall brings, because I don't know, I'm a big fan of fall. Yeah, I don't know what else to say other than life is going pretty good. It's been nice to, I don't know, I've been having a good time in LA. I've been here for 4 months now, and it's just, I like it. It's nice. I'm meeting lots of fantastic people, and I don't know, my life is pretty good so far. Except for I lost my wallet recently. I guess I can tell you that story So so my friends and I were hanging out one day, and I brought my wallet into a Spirit Halloween store and decided to leave it there. And so obviously when I got back to my parking garage, I had about a mental breakdown trying to find my wallet. So I had to cancel my debit card, which is unfortunate, and I'm kind of still waiting for one to get here in the mail, so that'll be fun. But I found my wallet. I had to call the headquarters of Spirit Halloween, and then they called the stores, and I found my wallet, which is fantastic, so I don't have to like replace my license or anything like that. So the next color I'm going to be going in with is obviously the orange, like right in the middle right there, and this is the Morphe 3502 palette. Oh, I didn't let you guys know, this brush is the It Cosmetics, I can't even tell anymore, but it looks like this. It's like a crease brush. But anyway, this is the I'm going in with, I taped the names up onto the flap. I believe this is Ablaze. So I'm just gonna take this on a Morphe, I don't know because it doesn't say the numbers or the letters, and I'm just gonna sweep this through my crease. Just darkening up the crease a little bit. I don't want to go all the way into my crease, but about 3/4 of the way. And the last color I'm going to be going in with is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and it is this darker orange right here. I'm going to be using a different brush. I'm going to use the Morphe R39 brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit and focus this on the outer edge of my eyes. Blend that slightly in. But hopefully you guys have been liking my content recently. I'm out of focus. Here we go. I don't know, I've just been doing stuff that's that I enjoy making, like the Cards Against Humanity videos, and just a really weird car vlog that I put up. I don't know, I don't want to classify myself as anything because of just all the stuff that's going down. I just like making random videos. That's the thing about me. I'm weird. I like making random content. I also hate living in Hollywood. And I'm hoping to do more of those vlogs in the future. You may have, yeah, I'm looking forward to doing more of those vlogs, and because they're fun, and I think they're fun. You may not think so, but that's fine with me. For the lid color, I'm gonna go in with this sparkly orange color right here, and it is called Sauce. And I'm just taking a Morphe M124 brush. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of setting spray and try that. I mean, this shade is pigmented, but I just like that kind of, I don't know what to call it, metallic look almost. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm drinking, it's these iced coffees that I get at Target. They come in like large jugs, and they're by Starbucks. It's the Starbucks Iced Caramel Macchiato, but I just drink it like alone with no ice. It's kind of like a packaged form of what you can get actually in store or in the Starbucks store. So this t-shirt is making it the look a little red, unfortunately. I apologize, guys. I don't own anything orange. My clothes are literally just black because that's the color I normally wear. Alright, so that is the eye look almost done. I'm gonna go off camera and pop on some mascara, some foundation, powder, concealer, contouring, bronzing, and then we'll be back to do the lower lash line, the highlight, and the lips. So I'll be back in a flash. Alright, I'm back and I zoomed you guys out a little bit. That's what I was going to say. So now we are going to finish up the lower lash line, and I'm going to grab my lower lash line brush, which is this e.l.f. one right here. This is an e.l.f. Eye crease brush, but it's like tiny, so I use it as my little tiny, you know, lower lash line brush. So I'm going to be taking a Blaze again, which, if you remember, is this color right here. I'm just going to be swiping that underneath my lash line, my lower lash line. I don't know what underneath has to do with anything. Okay, other eye. And then I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette and take that color, this color right here, the one I used to darken up my crease, just to darken up outer edge of the lower lash line. Just like that. And then for highlight today, where did I put it? I'm going to be using the I Like Your Face palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to be using this color right here, which I think is called Extra. It is kind of a orangey toned highlight, which I thought would be perfect for this look because we are going for more of a monochromatic kind of thing. So I'm going to just sweep that on my cheeks. Kind of subtle. It comes off like less orange. On camera, in real life, it's like still pretty orange. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to, nope, that's the wrong brush. There it is. I'm going to take the same color, the same highlight color, and I'm going to do my inner corner and my brow bone. I usually just do the outer corner of my brow bone, just because there's not really a reason for it. I don't know, maybe it's just because my brows are like low, so I don't really like to bring the highlight to. I'm using my finger now because the brush is not giving me that desired effect. So there we go. There is the face almost done. We're almost done. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Yummy, and this is a sparkly orange because why not be sparkly? Because why not? So I'm just going to. All right. Let me zoom you up. So I'm gonna go pop on my wig and the hat, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Unfortunately, I don't own like a bright orange wig, so this is the best I can come up with, and I have this pumpkin hat on, which I don't quite remember where I got. I think my aunt knitted it for me, so I mean, it's super cute and awesome. But anyway, that concludes the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell icon for my post notifications. My social medias and all the products used on my face will be listed down in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful. Bye!